Attorney General G.E. Vahanvati has spoken exclusively with Times Now and clarified that he was not questioned by the CBI in connection with the 2G spectrum scam. Remember, there had been reports that the Attorney General was questioned by the CBI over a legal opinion that he had given in granting allocation to Swan Telecom. In fact, let's go straight across to G. Vahanvati. He's joining us live, in fact, clarifying 2 times now that he was not questioned, only an opinion was sought by him. Thanks for joining us, Attorney General Vahanvati. The CBI has filed a charge sheet today in the Supreme Court against A. Raja. They also state that they question you. Now, what kind of questioning was posed to you in the 2G scam?
Well, let me explain the background of this. There were some notings of the 7th of January 2008. I saw these notings for the first time when the rejoinder was filed in the petition for cancellation of licenses. Okay. And I was quite taken aback to see that though I had given a very short noting in relation to whether there was any court order, I was appearing at that stage in the TDSAT as well as in the Delhi High Court. It gave the impression as if I had approved an amended press release. Now, coming 3 years after the event, I was quite taken aback and I said that this doesn't seem to be correct. But on a photocopy, you couldn't follow what had been going on. Thereafter, it appears that the CBI checked some overwritings and notings which had taken place and came to the conclusion, after consulting forensic experts, that these were subsequently written. In the photocopy, it's not clear that a different ink was used. So the persons concerned from the CBI came to my house to show me the file, which I saw for the first time, and I was quite taken aback to see the different ink. So they asked me my reaction to this, and I said, to the extent that it gives an impression that I had seen the amended copy, it's not correct.
Right. What about the remark that Swan Telecom was favoured by you? In fact, you had cleared that file saying that it doesn't have to be referred for further probe. Now, what was the context of that?
There was a writ petition, a PIL filed in the Delhi High Court by one Dr. Arvind Gupta. In the rejoinder filed in January 2009, he made certain allegations in respect to the shareholding of Swan. I was appearing in this case along with Mr. Vikas Singh and Sanjay Hegde. They came to me for an opinion as to whether at that stage the matter should be referred to the Ministry of Company Affairs. I went through the file and I found that they had checked the shareholding. I was not concerned with the shareholding, and they had issued the license. So there was no question of going to the Ministry of Company Affairs at that stage when there was a pending PIL. That's all I said.
Attorney General there, Vahanvati, thanks for joining us and giving your clarification.